What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind, but still the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders are still losing money, as I say many times. And you might wonder why. Why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves. But if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video.
GBP USD. This is a trade that you took already 15 minutes from when though? When was it? Today, yesterday? Great, by the way. Accumulation, spring, manipulation, whatever you want to call it, break of structure. After this, you can look for an entry at demand. Look for an entry at demand, 50% of demand, trade. Great, very good. I heard to not trade on the first day of a new month because of news. See, this is the problem, that you hear things. You never go look at charts to actually take a look if that's true or not. So if you hear things, open your charts, go on the first date of every month and see how the market behaved, instead of just hearing things and listening to random people. And maybe it's true, I'm just saying. Take a look at your charts in order to confirm what you heard. EUR USD, let me see. Someone sent EUR USD. Oh, okay. Someone sent EUR USD like this, and I already covered it at the beginning of this live. So demand, so break a structure of this internal structure demand, which is already getting broken. Also break a structure here, I would say. No, I didn't agree, because we already had the strong push after Asian high was taken out, so it could have been this one. For confirmation, this is not really, let me see. We do break this. Honestly, I wanted to see like a whole break of the zone, so including this high like this, Plus, at the beginning of this live, later I can send the recording. I said this could have been a possibility, but I'm not getting involved into this trade as I don't like it at all. I liked more GBP USD actually. We have two possible zones on GBP USD. Current zone, lower zone, and these wings right here. And we will keep an eye on it. More charts. Let's see, GBP JPY is a trade that you took. Let me see. Better structure here with high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high, breaking everything to the downside here, entering at this supply. I just don't know if in order to have a smaller stop loss, you looked for confirmation lower time frames here, or if you just went with risky stop loss, putting it smaller. That depends. But very good. Your AUD in order block zone 1 hour. Not really. I mean, yes, here. But wait. Let me see. So we're not at a discounted price. This order block will be way better. Also an order block that manipulates and breaks to the upside. So this order block right here. If we have to look for a possible intraday trade, we actually do have Asian range. Asian range is taken out right now, and this could be a good entry from here. We just need to keep in mind that we're not at a premium price, and that could be a problem actually. Give me 1 second, just need to reply. Keep sending your charts, of course, I'll take a look at it. This will need good confirmation from, I was considering, I was looking at my phone also. This will need good confirmation from here. Let's go look at the 1 minute. Fortunately, 1 minute has some structure up here. We'll need to wait for that. Yes. USD JPY reacted to weekly supply for a swing trade. I was talking to Simone. For those of you who don't know who Simone is, he's the guy in charge of Crypto XL. I was talking to Simone about USD JPY on a weekly time frame, but I'm not interested in trading it as a trade. I don't really trade USD JPY that much. CAD JPY up here, great. Strong momentum, previous high liquidity, 1 hour order block. This is perfect. Gold USD. I didn't even look at it that much today, to be honest. So you have Asian range and you have manipulation of Asian range. All right. other than that, which is not enough. You have an order block, which you can see also on the 30 minutes, so that's good. Here, you have also lower order blocks, which might be reached and respected, so might need to be careful for that. We need to prefer to always see our confirmation, which for now did not happen here, as we are just respecting supply areas. That's what I'm saying. Let me go back to EUR AUD, which could have looked interesting. I'm just monitoring. It will just take longer to have a confirmation here, as structure is very extended. Just give me a second. Monitoring on my phone also. Need to send these charts in the Discord, but of course, since you are connected, you have advantage. Let's look at more charts. CAD CHF. CAD CHF, I would say for some intraday trade for now, this is great. 15 minutes. I really like it. A lot of equal highs. I really like this one, but my trade would be, do I have it here or disappeared? Disappeared apparently. The trade I'm looking for is more of a swing trade. This is great. It's great. Also below Asia range, many equal highs. Great. Let me see if we are also at a key area. We are at a key area. This is perfect, I would say. Key area below previous low, so below liquidity. Asian low liquidity right here. Everyone, if I didn't have other things on my watch list in this moment, like GBP USD and EUR AUD, I would for sure consider this one 100%. Very good setup, actually. So everyone that is interested in this setup, take a look at it. Now, personally, this is great. Personally, looking for discounted price area, sorry, a premium price area, so either this week or higher, in order to get involved and possibly have a swing trade to the downside to actually target way lower. I'm not saying just here, I'm saying way lower. Possible move of more than 400 pips, but we need to wait for that. We saw this one already. Euro CHF. Euro CHF, I don't really trade it that much. That's why I don't really give my opinion on it. I don't really trade it that much. I don't find my strategies to be that reliable with Euro CHF. Maybe I didn't backtest it enough. Maybe I don't know. I just feel more comfortable with all other pairs that are on my watch list. NZD JPY. NZD JPY. This is your supply. Honestly, I didn't see this on NZD JPY. Actually, see a very strong bullish trend rather than sells. Let me see. Awesome. Structure is bearish, but slightly. This is not a strong break structure to confirm direction. You're entering inside the Asian range. I personally wouldn't. I'm not saying you're not correct. I personally wouldn't, as Asian range highs are usually taken out, and maybe we go to this higher area. So not really my favorite setup, I would say. Charts are not available. Gold. Gold, we already talked about it. Can be, as I said, a very good zone below Asian range and everything. Look for confirmation. Personally, I know CAD CHF is a good setup, gold is a good setup, but I'm personally interested into GBP USD and which was it, and Euro AD. Chart doesn't work. What is this one? Euro New Zealand. You're not in already. You're waiting for retracement. That's good, actually. We've taken out all the liquidity, previous highs liquidity, all this liquidity, all this liquidity. We reach this order block. And personally, I would have looked for 1 minute, but this is already 5 minutes, so it's good. Break of structure, possible retracement higher, very good. Euro CAD doesn't work. Let's see if this one works. Now, I'm not saying, man, that you're not correct. You might be right. I'm just saying I don't like the setup very much. Overall, on NZD looking at the daily is just a strong uptrend all the way. Gold, yes, you're looking at the same thing that another person here is looking. This is retail liquidity, Asian range liquidity, and so on. Very good setup. All right. 1 second. So we were looking at also gold. Was looking at possible targets. I would prefer if there were some equal highs or something, but this is good overall. Let's go to the 1 minute. All right. And CAD CHF, which I don't have. I don't know why I don't have it anymore. Which was great also. Very good. The people who sent me these two analyses, these were very good. Really liked both of them. No matter what happens next, they were correct. With that being said, now I'll send some setups to the Discord. Thanks for connecting. If you liked live trading, let me know. I'll keep doing it. Thank you very much.